Hi everybody, this is a video for those of you that are still chasing someone for love today. So if that's you, stay tuned. I'm going to give you some ideas on how to attract it, stop chasing it, stop trying to get yourself into a place where you become an attractive magnet. Okay, so number one, stop chasing love by including more things that you love to do. Okay, the happier you are doing the things you love to do, the less you go looking and chasing other people for love because you're more in a good feeling place. Okay, so ideas: music, listen to it, enjoy it, spend time playing it on your way to work, while you're laying in bed, while you're out exercising. Do some music listening for your well-being. It will help you improve your feeling place. Okay, now other things: listen to podcasts, exercise, go walking, go hiking, go fishing, go rollerblading, whatever it is. Find those things that you really love to do. The more you satisfy your own self, the more you feel good about the activities you do during a day, then you become a better magnet. And that's the way you attract love. You feel satisfied and happy in your own skin. You've got to be happy and feeling good in your own skin. Whether you want to attract a brand new relationship or whether you want to attract an ex or a specific person, that really doesn't matter. It's you are the magnet. So are you going to be a magnet that repels or a magnet that attracts? And the way to repel is by being depressed, anxious, fearful, and worried, or any of those emotions. Those repel people away from you. Now, I'm not saying it's not okay to feel those things sometimes, but it's do what you can to get yourself out of that. Okay? So, number two, remind yourself love is not over there. Okay? No one owes us love. When people give us love, great, but no one owes us. Maybe our parents when we were younger because we were children, but after that, no one owes us. Okay? It is up to us to work on giving love to ourselves. So practice reminding yourself. I think setting alarms on your phone that remind you, even if you need to say someone's name, say, for example, Bob doesn't owe me love. I am my own source of love. And you remind yourself. So you let everybody off the hook. You let the whole wide world off the hook. No one has to love me for me to feel good. I'm going to learn to generate that so that I can radiate it out, and then everything I desire comes to me. Okay? Now, number three, work on being satisfied. I notice with many of you that I'm working with, there's a lot of dissatisfaction. Dissatisfaction is a big repellent because all people feel from you is that you're not happy, that you're dissatisfied, that you're not content, you're not grateful. So to practice being more satisfied, practice more gratitude. Look for 20 things a day that you are really, really grateful for, whether it's about somebody, whether it's about your life, your money, your job, your health, your family, your neighbors, the food you eat, the country you live in, whatever. Find some stuff that you are really, really grateful for and practice that skill. Okay? Now, the next one, increase your exercise. When you're depressed and anxious, you don't want to do anything. So to counteract that, get moving. Go and exercise in whatever way, shape or form. Play badminton, play basketball, go swimming, go surfing, go hiking, whatever it is, practice some form of exercise regularly. It's not just for your body, it is to get some oxygen moving through your system and to get rid of that stagnancy. Okay? Move the depression, move the anxiety through movement. Once you start moving, and then if you combine that with affirmations, you start feeling better and better. Okay? So, hopefully that will help you to remind you. I know many of you are chasing love, and you are getting yourselves in situations where it's not being reflected back to you, where you're being ghosted, where you're being told that you're really not for me, or where you're being told, I like you, but I don't want to be with you. I don't see a future in this. I'm hearing a lot of these statements from many of you at the moment. So, you want to become a person where people say, gee, I really want to be with you. You're so wonderful to be around. And you can be that sort of person that attracts those type of sentences to you. All right, everyone. I'm off for my walk to do my affirmations, my pocket of joy. It's a beautiful afternoon in the Blue Mountains of Australia, in New South Wales. So lots of love. And I will see you, as I always do, in the next YouTube.